Unraveling the mystery of titration in English. Hello, English language adventurers. Today, we're diving into a term that might tickle your scientific curiosity: titration. Whether you're a science enthusiast, a student, or simply eager to expand your vocabulary, understanding this term can be quite intriguing. So, let's explore together what titration means and how it's used in both scientific and everyday language. The word titration comes from the realm of chemistry. It refers to a method used to determine the concentration of a known reactant in a solution. This process involves adding a solution of known concentration, called the titrant, to a known volume of a solution of the unknown concentration until the reaction is complete. The point at which the reaction is complete is often marked by a color change and is called the end point. The careful addition of one substance to another and the precise measurement involved is what makes titration an essential procedure in laboratories. While you may not be performing a chemical experiment every day, the concept of titration has slipped into everyday language as well. It can be used metaphorically to describe any process that involves determining something by gradual increase or decrease. For example, when you adjust your coffee's sugar level sip by sip, or when a doctor adjusts medication dosage based on a patient's response, you're applying the concept of titration in a broader sense. Understanding context is vital when it comes to language learning. The meaning of titration can be quite different depending on the situation. In a science class, it's strictly a technical term. However, in a casual conversation, it might be used more loosely to describe finding the right balance of something through careful experimentation. Always pay attention to the context to grasp the intended meaning. We've reached the end point of our little titration of knowledge for today, and I hope you found the explanation clear and helpful. Remember, language learning is like a titration itself, adding new words and phrases little by little until you reach the perfect level of understanding. Keep experimenting with new terms, and soon you'll have a reaction that results in fluency. Until next time, happy learning!